This is a hair clip. I'm gonna give this advent calendar. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Beauty Advent Calendar. Oops, that was dangerous. The theme of this box is Wild Wishes, and one of mine is to actually have makeup products in this one. Inside joke. Last year's advent calendar was very disappointing with tiny products that you could use just once. It was really not worth the money, and the price for this one here is 35 euros. I'm not very sure what is the price for the US, and also I don't know if it is released in the US yet. I was actually very surprised that I found this one in September. On the box it says 24 surprises, makeup, bath, skincare and accessories. I'm a little bit worried about the accessories. Give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see a makeup tutorial using any makeup products that we have in this box. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more advent calendar unboxing videos. I'm going to post more. We don't have any claims about the overall value of this one, so we're going to calculate it at the end of this video, so make sure to stay until the end. Unboxing time! Woohoo! The packaging is very cute and we have all of these adorable animals. We have a sticker here. Okay, then it comes out like a drawer. I don't want to be disappointed from now, but this is very lightweight, as you can see, with just one hand. And now we can see the design. Ooh, it opens. And here is the beautiful advent calendar. I will zoom you out just to see how it looks. Ooh, and we also have here some doors. Super pretty. The eye of the tiger. It's cute, but it's gonna be difficult to unbox it. Door number 1 is right up here. It looks small. Maybe we have a lipstick. Oh, no, but it's not bad. This is the Color Hit Nail Polish. This is the shade It Girl. I think this is the regular size. Oh, we have a cup. I forgot it. This is from the Maybelline Advent Calendar, Essence Makeup Haul, and now this one. Okay, so with one coat, this is a very nice opaque nail polish, and this is with 2 layers. So that's not a bad start, and this is actually a very nice color. And let's find the number 2. Oh my god, it is this tiny one here. So let's open it. This is a hair clip. We started again. You can never have enough hair clips, but I didn't buy this advent calendar for a product like this. Door number 3 is super pretty. And what is this? Oh, Sephora has skincare now? I didn't know that. It says VOLC. This is an exfoliating scrub for bright skin, and it can exfoliate and smooth out your skin. It contains 97 natural ingredients, somewhere percent. We have 15 milliliters. This is not a full size, but for a face scrub you don't need a lot of product, so maybe 15 milliliters is okay. This is number 4. I'm guessing it is a hair clip. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow. So this is a removable eyeshadow pan, and we have the shade Girl Night Out. Let's see the color. Oh my god, I didn't break anything. So this is a color. Oh, I thought we had a plastic layer. It had a very weird sheen. It moves. And this is a gold eyeshadow with a shimmer finish. Ooh, it looks nice. I think it is a little bit drying, but I will need to see in a video or in a makeup look in general. You can also remove this. It is super easy. Very nice. This is super pretty. Oh my god, I can't push it and hold it at the same time. Ooh, we have this little star. I know. Last year I was very disappointed with this. The scent of it is so nice. I think we had this again last year. This is a fizzing star, and it says let's have fun. So I have used this for a foot spa, not in a big bathtub, but this one can create a lot of bubbles. I'm not very mad that we have it. However, I know that this one doesn't have a great value. This one here has a little parrot. Door number 6. I'm guessing that we have a mascara. Nope. We have again folded face masks. I'm making out words now. And this is a cucumber eye mask. We have a little picture here. You can use them underneath your eyes. At the bottom we have number 7. Oh my god, I can't open it. I don't want to rip it off, but I think I need to get the surprise. This one here is the eye pencil to go. As you can see, this is not a full size. This is in the color 9 Intense Black and it smells amazing. It has that intense wooden pencil scent. Actually, this is not bad. It's not super creamy, but maybe it is very long lasting. We don't say no to that. You can also use it as a base for a dark smoky eye look. I'm not excited that it is a small size, but at least it is a makeup product. We've got one more parrot here. Ooh, another skincare surprise. This is the All Day Hydrator to hydrate and glow. This is a mini size. We have 10 milliliters of product, and again we have 96% natural ingredients. That's not bad. It contains hyaluronic acid. This is very small. Maybe you can use it for just 1 week. Door number 9. Oh, we have one more nail polish. The covers are hugging me. This is gorgeous in a liquid highlighter. This can be majestic. This is the Color Hit nail lacquer, and this is in the shade Enchanted World. So this one is clear with a lot of sparkles and it looks super pretty. You can use it on top of another nail color, and this is with 2 coats. It doesn't change a lot, but it is very pretty. As the previous one, we have 5 milliliters of nail polish in here. Door number 10 is very exotic, and I'm hoping that we have a blush or a bronzer. Oh, okay. These are instant nail polish remover wipes. You can actually buy them in a pack, and we just have 2 here. These have white peach extract. I was hoping that we wouldn't find products like this again. These are actually very practical. However, we have just 2 of them and it looks cheapish. And by the way, this is very deceiving to have such a big door and hide these wipes. I would say a blush, but no way. Oh. This is a mirror. First of all, it is adorable. Second, what can I do with this small mirror? You can do touch-ups if you hold it very far away so you can see actually your face. It's super cute, but a little bit useless. 12. That's deceiving, okay? We were expecting a lipstick, and this is the charcoal nose strip. Again, a folded mask. It is a black adhesive patch, and it is dermatologically tested. This is so cute. And lucky number 13. Ooh, another fizzing star that I think you can buy as a pack. So, ooh, that smells amazing. It is a Moonlight Swim. Oh, so good. I would like to have more of them. We have one here, one there. I'm gonna say lipstick, but we both know this is not a lipstick. Oh, what's this? This is a triple action cleansing water. It has 90% natural ingredients. Oh, it also says zinc. And this is of course a mini size. That's disappointing. We have 25 milliliters. And again, this is by the brand of Sephora. After this video, I'm gonna do a research and see what other skincare products they have. I didn't know about these. 15 is... What is this? What is this? This is a creamy body wash. This is a sample. We have Lagoon here, and it looks like this. Very small. I don't know if I can do 2 arms with this. Disappointing. We have again an one-use product. This box is not getting any better. Every year the same. And 16. Oh, 16 is a neighbor. I would say mascara, but it is definitely a folded mask. Found it! This one here is the Shea Lip Mask. It says it is a biocellulose mask and it can moisturize and smooth your lips. This is great, especially if you're using liquid lipsticks. We have a lipstick. This one here is the Lip Stories in Spring Break. We have the shade 36. It has a satin finish. It is made in Italy. This one has a very nice packaging. It is cardboard and it is a little bit tight. It's super pretty for winter and fall. I missed my chance. I didn't guess it. 18 is on the other side. Oh no, not again. We have this elastic. It actually is very sticky. I don't really want to use it on my hair. I love the color. It is rose gold. Okay, I will try it. It doesn't look bad. I'm afraid to take it off. Okay, it wasn't so bad. So don't be afraid of the stickiness. Because of products like this one, I didn't like last year's advent calendar. We have them again. 19 is waiting for me here. It's so awkward to hold it and push it. Okay. That was not a nice surprise. Got it. And this one here is a creamy body wash in the scent. I was gonna say shade, but it's not a shade. In Cotton Flower. Again, it is for one use only. So tiny. For this one, I'm gonna say lipstick. I didn't say it once and it was a lipstick, so I'm gonna say it again. Oops. Oh my god, yes, I found it. Well, it's not actually a lipstick. It is a lip product. We have here the coconut lip balm. And the packaging is very similar to last year's lip balm. I actually have it here. We had the watermelon lip balm. So let's see how this one smells. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It smells very nice. The white packaging is so elegant. 21. What is this? Oh my god, it's a nail file. We have the beautiful design on this one too, and you can use it both sides. Yes, it is a nail file. Why couldn't we have just a full-size huge nail file in this design? A lot of my rings fell on the floor. Everything's fine. And 22 is here. I would like to have a blush, a bronzer, or maybe a lipstick. We have a folded mask again. Oh my god, everything is falling down. This one here is a pineapple nose mask. Again, it has biocellulose. And this one is for less visible pores and visibly smoother skin. Door 23 is... oh, here. Oh my god, what fell? This is again an elastic clip. Here elastic. Filler product again. 24, give me hope. And we have here a cream lip stain. This is a liquid lipstick. It is in the shade 01, made in Italy. And this looks like a full-size product. So let's swatch this one. And it has a very light, sweet chemical scent. So I'm back with my notes. I have tried to find all of the prices, but I couldn't. The nail polish remover wipes, you can find them in a pack of 20. And we got only this here. For the capsules, you can find them in a set of 14. And again, we got them like 2 individual products. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. And I'm gonna give it 2 stars out of 5 because I like the design of it. Also, the overall value is more than what I have paid. It is 70 euros. However, I still don't like what we got. We have a lot of one-use products. You can find more advent calendars here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Okay, these doors here are just making my life more difficult. We need to agree. Oh my god, I just touched my hair. Disaster. Okay. I'm fighting with the advent calendar today. Oh my god, this doesn't open.